have among our students our chief guest, Honorable Minister, Ministry of Commerce, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Mr. Zubair Ahmed. So the firefighters is now trying to extinguish the fire from the chemical tender where the foam is there, and by using the foam, firefighters are trying to extinguish the fire. So maybe within a short time the fire will be extinguished. And yes, the foam is there, lot of foam, so you can see the foam is there already, and the fire is already extinguished. So firefighters are successful to extinguish the fire. The lot of foam is used for extinguishing the fire. So in the liquid fire, especially with the